You don't want the fish?
No.
Why, Danny? Are you fucking dick? He put the fish on my leg and started flopping around when I was taking the camera.
Go touch it, Michael. Touch it.
Go get the fish.
It's gonna poop. It's got some poop coming out.
It's got the poo coming out. Got the poo on me.
I have it.
Well, go touch it. Go touch it.
Pee.
You gotta touch it, man.
Awesome.
Go touch it.
Go get the fish.
Got my fish. Fish.
Oh, he's dying.
Touch it. He's not dying.
Yeah. He's like he's giving up.
Now go pan fry it.
Nice. This is my dinner.
He's going on top of the burger.
Stop.
Peter's gonna get you in a.
Dude, that'd be messed up.
You're like, it's a freaking fish.
Oh.
Go get it.
Oh. No, baby.
No.
No, my hand. No.
Put your spikes down.
Go grab him.
Well, go grab him.
Have fish.
Go touch him.
Fish.
Go with Danny.
Go with Danny. Go with Danny.
Ew, just pooed.
What?
What? Here, touch it.
The fish just pooed.
Go touch it.
It's so gross.
Touch it. Go like this. Look. I'm gonna throw it at you.